Snowstorms sometimes stall over certain areas.
I can't say that I've ever seen a snowstorm stall, especially because this time of year you're dealing with a lot of a stronger wind field.
That's true.
The jet stream tends to be a lot stronger. Those type of systems, unlike the areas of low pressure you can get in the summer that stall out,
Yes.
these don't, because they tend not to get cut off from the flow aloft.
No.
It can slow down a little bit, but I can't say that I've ever seen a winter storm system stall out or quit moving.
No.
They're very progressive in nature.
They are.
Yeah.
Which makes it a lot nicer.
Yes.
Less, big accumulation, which is good.
Exactly, because I couldn't imagine a winter storm stalling out for a period of like 3 or 4 days over the
that'd
same
be
area.
crazy.
Granted, it's going to dissipate. You're not going to see heavy snow all 3 days, but still, you'd be dealing with the wind and some of the other effects. Yeah, I can't say I've seen that happen.